Hello everybody. Today's question is how many three-letter words can we make from the letters A, B, C and D if we are allowed to repeat the letters and we must use the letter A at least once. Now before we go into how to solve the question, so let us first understand the question. So it is telling us, so I will underline the parts that are important. So we have to make a three-letter word. That's the most important thing here. Three-letter word from the letters A, B, C, D. So there are four letters. So from four letters, we have to pick three. Now then, there are some conditions. The conditions are we are allowed to repeat the letters. So we can repeat A, B, C, and D, all of them. And then the next one is that the letter A must be used at least once. So this is the most important condition. The letter A has to be used at least once. What that means is it can be used twice, it can be used thrice. However, it must go at least once. So you cannot have a word without the letter A in it. So what are the possibilities? So what will the word look like? So when the letter A is used once, that's what it will look like. And then you can have a B and a C, or you can have an A. You can have A can be in any position, so you can have B, A, C, or you can have D, C, A. So what I'm trying to say is A can go in the first place, in the second place, or in the third place, any position, and so on. You can keep on doing it, So it can be B, A, D, or D, A, B, or C, A. This is all in middle. Okay, so so it can be repeat, and then it can be, so words like this are all allowed. So this is with one place. A is used only once. If A is used twice, now it can both sit in front, first and second positions. The third position can be taken by B, C, or D, any one of them, or the first place can be taken by B, C, or D, and then you can have an A and an A, and then, or the middle place can be taken by B, C, or D, and you can have an A and A. So the words could look like A, B, or A, B, A, or A, D, A, and or D, A, and so on. The third option is all three A's. Okay, and we will have to see. So for each of these options, what we have to do is find out how many words are possible. So that is how we are going to do the question, and that is what the question is asking us to find out. Okay, so the next then is, this is what I did. I started off with case 1, so I'm going to build cases. So there's a case 1, which is letter A is used once. If the letter A is used once, so the first place can be taken by B, C, and D in three ways, and the last place can be taken by B, C, and D also in three ways, as you can see. So all of these places, they can be occupied by B, C, and D in three ways. Okay, but why is it three? Because there is a repetition that is allowed, so we can repeat the letters. So you can have a B on the second place and a B in the third place. Okay, so the next is, now how many ways can we do it? So there are three ways to do this. 3 cross 3 is 9 ways, so each of these is 9, and the total is 27 ways. So if the letter A is used once, there are 27 ways you can form a word. The next one is the letter A is used twice. So if the letter A is used twice, so any one of the other letters B, C, and D can go in three ways in the one space that is available. So three ways it can take, the last or the first or the middle, but each of it is three ways. Okay, as So here, once, because the letter A is repeated twice, there is no way to repeat B, C, and D. It will only have to go in once because it's a three-letter word. So they can go in three ways, making it a total of 9 ways you can do this. What is the third case? Third case is the letter A is used thrice. So if the letter A is used thrice, there's only one way you can make a word. You can move the A any way you like, but in the end, it is only just one word, A. Okay, so those are the three cases that we have to work out, the ways with, what are the words we can form with the letter A using these three cases. So the final answer will be just adding them up. That is 27 plus 9 plus 1, and that is 37 ways. Thank you.